How to add S&P 500 on TradingView watchlist. Are you guys facing issues to add S&P 500 on TradingView watchlist? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your device. Once you open the TradingView, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this watchlist icon. Click on it. Now tap on this plus icon. Now click on search bar and search for S&P 500. To add S&P 500 on your watch list, just simply click on this plus icon. Once you click on it, S&P 500 will be added on your watch list. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add S&P 500 on TradingView watch list. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.